is the most amazing rainbow I have ever seen. Look how it, in the image, it perfectly goes from the palm tree to the little dragon fruit, but actually it's coming out of the little shack, see? But there's no, but if you go just the right angle, you can see it's coming from the farmland. But look, it's like double rainbowing. How awesome is that? Let me see if I can, wait. Here and I don't know if that came out, but wow, look, there's a little plane. Oh, it's starting to fade a little. See, you guys don't know, these rainbows don't last. So when you see a good one, you got to take a picture of it or film a clip of it. Coffee's starting to work. I'm getting my little jitters back. What are we gonna do today? See, it's me. I just went to the store, came back home, and I saw something flickering in the wheel. And this is the only thing I hate about where I live. If that sucker was to get you with his little rear things, oh, he would jack you up and ruin your day. And I don't even want to mess with them because they're fast and they're very durable. In this light, this car looks really good. It's not even that clean. I've been driving it around, take it every day now. It's my daily pick up the kid to and from school. When I get home, I got some updates to tell you. They're gonna be cool. Oof. Aloha, YouTube. This will just be a simple update video. Some cool stuff came in the mail. Like my newest radio control car. Look, it's a 992 Porsche. Helps if you hold the box the right way. Let's see, also, I got in the mail, a few weeks ago, I did a video about my Porsche 996 turn signal indicator no working. So I called my favorite salvage yard, and I got one. So, but this just showed up in the mail, and the funny thing is, the turn stock started working today. So it was broken where like, you could turn left and it would stick, and then when you go around the wheel and you after you made your turn, it wouldn't come back to neutral. But if you turned right, you turn it on and it would kick back. Well, now it's broken the same way, as it'll stick but it won't go back. Like if you after you make the turn, it won't go back to neutral, it just sticks. So I got this. I have no idea how to take off the steering wheel on a 996. I mean, I'm sure there's like some trick to getting the airbag off, and then there's a big nut that holds the wheel on and the wheel pulls off. And then, actually, I don't want to unwrap this now because I don't want to do it today. I did have a little car meet, and I brought some of the RC cars out, and sadly this one I took out. This one. And I smacked the curb of the parking lot. No, we weren't filming. I wasn't filming. And Sunday the 16th, we're racing. So we're gonna take the 996. It's a private NASA autocross event. Autocross is low speed, meaning the fastest I've ever been able to get my 991 up to is about 65 miles an hour. My 997 gets about 62. So I'm imagining this car will probably get up to 59 or maybe 61, not much slower. It's actually not that slow of a car, it just doesn't launch. Once you're going 7 or 8 miles an hour, oh man, once the RPMs are up above 2,500, it's like scoot down the road. All right, there we go, got that. I still got my little precious toy. I didn't put it back in the box. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make an RC car video soon. I don't think anybody wants to really see me put this together. I already have more RC cars that I know what to do with. Let me see how many of them need to be built besides this one. I think there's two. two new in the box RC cars. Let's think about cars that I own. Let's see. Oh my God, this is the highlight if you're watching this video. I got an email yesterday. My new car is done. They finished building it, and they sent me a picture of it. And they sent me a picture of it in the paint shop. And so now I'm super excited, and stuff just got real because I didn't sell anything. So here's the plan, is race the car September 16th. If the turn signal stock isn't fixed by then, oh, whoop-de-doo. I need to get the exhaust taken off and clean those little emissions ports, or I need to sell the car really cheap. And maybe I'll just sell the car really cheap. And then my 997, I need to rescue. It's in Monterey, and my friend, well, the car was originally stored in an airplane hangar. My friend used to have a plane, it crashed, got the insurance money, was waiting to buy a plane, a deal on a plane came up, he bought the plane, now he needs the space, so my car got kicked out of the hangar. Frank had bought a giant car bubble. Like, I don't know if you've seen him in other YouTube videos. It's just like it's an inflatable bubble, and there's a zipper, and you can drive the car in, and you can seal it, and you can probably put a cord and put a, I don't know. So we're gonna try that. We're gonna move my car down to LA, which will be better for me. Monterey is not convenient. It is a pain in the ass to get there. So I'm gonna have to fly into San Francisco and take an Uber to SF to pick up an Uber from SF to Monterey to pick up my car, to take it down to LA, and we'll store it in the valley, San Fernando Valley, down in Woodland Hills. And I need to get my money together.